In this video, you'll learn how to add tags in Notion, step by step. First, type table and select Table View Database. You need a database in order to add tags, so creating this table is the first step. Once the table is ready, click on Add a Property, then select Multi-Select. You can rename this property to Tags to make it clear what it's used for. This property works exactly like tags. You can create and manage multiple options inside it. To create a new tag, click inside the Tags field. Type the name of the tag. You can repeat the same process to make as many tags as you want. After the tags are created, you can apply them to different rows in your database by simply selecting them from the list. You can even use multiple tags on the same item, which makes organizing your content a lot easier. This is a quick and simple way to add tags in Notion and keep everything organized. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and check out more Notion tips on this channel.